Is your AC blowing hot air? Don't let the Orange City heat ruin your day. Picture this. It's 95 degrees outside, your AC quits, and your house feels like an oven. Sound familiar? In Orange City, a busted HVAC isn't just annoying, it's an emergency. But don't panic. Our local team is on call ready to rescue you, fast. We fix all AC models, big or small, right when you need it most. And here's the deal. Call us now for a free emergency quote, no strings attached. Don't wait for things to get worse. The longer you sweat, the harder and more expensive the fix gets. So take action. Call 386-387-8502 or reply yes below to grab your free quote and get cool again, fast. Don't let the Florida heat win. Call now and get your comfort back.